Oh boy. There we go.
What do I do? Take this?
No. You can get that off. Straight back. Oh, wait. No. Lift this part up as you pull back. For some reason, that's catching. Oh, that's the one that I had trouble with. Okay. And I forget what the problem was. There we go.
Come on, come on, in there. There we go. Okay. And now, oh, this was behind there, so. I am doing that right?
Yep. Here, let me show you something. Why is that?
Yeah, because you gave me the hard one to learn on. Yeah, you gave me the problem child. You gave the problem child the problem child.
Yeah.
Where'd you do with the... There we go. All right, now. Okay. Me.
Yes.
Oops. It would help I put it in the right way. Not even, still had ways to go.
Okay.
Is that good?
Should be.
Okay.
Now the fun part's getting that thing back on.
Poke myself. Is it on?
It looks it.
Looks it to me.
All right.
That was not the hard part. Okay.
Put your cover on.
There was
Now,
something
if you'll
there.
look, see how it hooks in
Yeah,
on each side. So
there was just something here. I had to get that out. All right.
all right. Now lock it down. You're
Lock
locked.
down.
Now take it out and start it. Pull it, push. Yeah, now it's
down.
in choke. All right, take it out of choke.
Okay.
See, you do know how to service us.
Yeah, well, now I have to clean it.
Well, we went to bed last night with sleet and freezing rain falling. We wake up this morning to 40 degrees and strong winds. And the river has dropped even more. As you can see right there, that's the debris that we were hung up on yesterday. There's actually nothing that I can do about that. Maybe if the water drops on down, I can take a chainsaw and cut that up and let it float on out of the way. But with the damage that was done to the bank this year at breakup, I'm almost going to have to pull this boat straight up out of the water. Now, honey, step over here. What have you done?
Okay, for when I go back on my keto diet and have to wonder what I'm going to feed you because I'm limited on what I can eat, I made lentil rice meals in a jar. So all we have to do is dump a jar in water, add our spices, whatever we feel like that day. And then I made mac and cheese in a jar. It's really delicious. We had this last night. It was yummy. So I won't have to think quite as hard of what I'm going to make for you because you get carbs and I don't.
Oh, okay. Now you will show everybody how you did this at some point, right?
Sure, at some point. It's not hard, so yeah, I can.
Now, 3 years ago, the wiring harness fried on this four-wheeler. So I've, instead of using the regular starter switch, I installed a push button switch, but that means that I have to keep this battery charged, and for some reason I normally keep it hooked to this single solar panel here, and that does the trick, but for some reason it's not wanting to charge, and I'm stuck out here needing to get it back to the cabin to where I can put the big charger on it. Well, as I continue to work on this thing, the winds have shifted and are coming out of the northeast now, and they're a little on the chilly side. So I want to hurry up and get this four-wheeler back to the cabin and get the generator going and get the big battery charger on this thing. Okay, I got smart. Instead of pulling the battery and walking 300 feet back to the cabin and charging it and then bringing it back, I decided to bring out the jump starter. Yay! I had forgotten that we even had this thing. So let's see how well it works. If I can get it out of its case. That's it, right there. Every time. Well, welcome to a really gloomy weekend. I woke up about 1:30 this morning with the sound of sleet hitting the tin roof, and it was rather soothing. It put me right back to sleep, but it doesn't make for a productive weekend outdoors. Now, a lot of folks have asked about the solar video. That's coming up this next episode. And the delay has been the fact that lighting in that area, I've got it all disconnected. I'm rewiring everything. And as soon as I have some decent lighting to where you can see what's going on, then I'll get that filmed and we'll get it uploaded. And never, in our memory anyway, have we had standing water the first week of October. Normally this dries up in August, and this year has just been totally wet. So the rain continues through the night, and it's still raining. It's up around noontime right now. But I have to come down and check on the river and the boat. And the river is down a little bit more. So we are hoping that maybe this next week, even though the weatherman is calling for like 80-90% chance of rain every day, every night, we might be able to make that supply run that has been delayed Though looking out across the river, and though you can't see it in this video, the stumps are beginning to come up above the surface of the water. All the barges have made their final runs and have gone back upriver. So this means we're pretty close to having to pull the boat out of the water. If you would, like this video, share it to your favorite social platform, leave us a comment, and above all, subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you next time, right here on Alaska Bush Living.